our Speaker, the Honorable Stephen Ndichu, who is a seasoned politician with a strong track record in both Kiambu and in the Central Province and in the Republic of Kenya, this morning has agreed to cede ground for the young man Karũngo Thang'wa to fly the UDA Kenya Kwanza flag for Senate in Kiambu County. A feat that will elevate Karũngo Thang'wa to be the unbeatable candidate for Senate in Kiambu County.
I'm going to be in the forefront to lead your campaign in Kiambu County, where you have got 1.3 million votes. And out of these 1.3 million votes, my responsibility will be to get at least 1.2 of those 1.2 million votes, and the rest of the Mount Kenya region as well.
It is an indication that in our party UDA, we have leaders who are willing to nurture young leadership, and we have leaders who want others to be given the opportunity to lead. Your Excellency, I assure you, this is just one level. Now we remain with the next level, which is August 9th. And I'm going to work with Ndichu and his team, and also my team, to come together with his team so that we can go around Kiambu County looking for votes, not only for myself, but also for you as our president, because we believe you're the next president of this republic.